story's title is Mama Shamsi at the Bazaar by Mojdeh Hassani and Samira Iravani, illustrated by Maya Fidavi. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Mama Shams, Mama Shams, will the bazaar be loud? How big will it be? Will I get lost in the crowd?
Na, na, na. She puts on her chador. You stay right by me while we walk through the stores.
Mama Shams, let me ride on your back, curled in your chador, so warm and so black.
Na, 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 she says with a chortle. Our neighbors will think that I'm a turtle.
Mama Shams, let's get in a line under your chador. You in front, me behind.
Na, na, na. I look like a fool with 4 legs below me, just like a mule.
Mama Shams, I think I could squeeze up front by your belly. Would you let me, please?
Na, na, na. You know what they'll do? They'll see my big bump and say, "Look, kangaroo!" One last time, Samira tries.
Mama Shams, let me up all the way. With your chador on my head, I won't go astray.
Na, na, na. Shamsi says with a laugh. The merchants will say that I'm a giraffe. They finally reach the street before the bazaar. If Mama Shamsi won't let her under the chador, what will Samira do when it gets loud and crowded? She thinks hard and asks.
Then Mama Shamsi, how will I know where you are in the shops and which way to go?
Mama Shamsi looks at her little helper. You'll use your eyes and your ears, even your nose too, to explore this world and learn what's around you. And hold my hand, Azizam, she says as they cross. With grandmother beside you, you'll never be lost. The end.
Thanks for watching. For more exciting read aloud stories, please subscribe to our channel Little Hearts Super Kids. Also follow us on Instagram for amazing updates.